Hi, my name is Equid and welcome to our video presentation. Ports have always been the vital gateways of global commerce, connecting continents and enabling the exchange of goods, people, and ideas. The documentary Biggest Harbor Innovation, produced by Get Factual and available on YouTube, explores how technological innovation has continuously reshaped the critical nodes of the world's economy. The nearly 50 minutes film traces the history of ports from Phoenician artificial harbors through the mid-20th century containerization revolution to today's automated and digitized terminals. It focuses on major ports, including Rotterdam, Shanghai, Hamburg, Hong Kong, and Jebel Ali in Dubai. This documentary is highly relevant to our course, port technology and maintenance, because it links technology, operational efficiency, maintenance, and safety. The central topic is the continuous technological transformation of ports and its impact on global trade, labor, efficiency, and sustainability. The film's purpose is threefold. One, to educate the viewers on key historical milestones such as Malcolm McLean's standardized container and the Suez Canal. Second, to show how the modern ports achieve high productivity through software, remote controlled equipment, and full automation. And third, to highlight the challenges that come with these advances to labor displacement, environmental pressure, and the constant demand for speed and lower cost. Throughout the film's narrator repeats the core message: time is money. Ports that fail to innovate risk losing business. And thank you, and that is all from me.
Assalamualaikum and good day. I am Muhammad Nazrin Behelman. The documentary highlights several major global ports is number 1, Rotterdam, known for remote control crane technology. Number 2, Shanghai, the world legal port with fully automated terminal. Number 3, Victoria Harbour and Hamburg, handling historic and growing trade volume. And number 4, Jebel Ali in Dubai, expanding rapidly with over 22 million TEU capacity. Key vessels covered include megaship like the Marstat Mars, historical trading ship, Malcolm McLean first container tanker, and the 1891 cruise ship Augusta Victoria. Crucial equipment features include ship-to-shore gantry crane, automated gas vehicles, ISO containers, terminal operating system, and industrial 3D metal printer for component-like propellers. These elements form the backbone of modern port operation. Next, Fidaus will explain the port technology in detail.
Hello, my name is Muhammad Firdaus bin Abdullah. The most important innovation is the shipping container. Introduced by Malcolm McLean in the 1950s, the first commercial voyage carried just 58 containers. The standard dimension is 20 feet or about 6 meters and remain unchanged today. Containerization forced port to redesign completely. Traditional break bulk docks were replaced by stacking yard and specialized crane. Productivity soared, cargo damage and theft fell, and economies of scale that underpin globalization emerged. Today, Every container movement is planned digitally. Ship planners use color-coded virtual model to sequence loading and discharging, assign yard position, and avoid costly overstacking. This enables simultaneous operation and targets around 40 containers moved per hour. Automation appears at two levels: fully automated terminals such as Yangshan use driverless AGVs and robotic stacking with no human presence on the terminal floor. In Rotterdam, the crane operators who once sat high above ship in the open cabins now control the same crane from a comfortable ground-level control room. 7 staff monitors the entire terminal in shift. Emerging technologies include AGVs programmed to change when excess green electricity is available, and industrial 3D metal printing of artificial ship components, including the world's first licensed 3D printed propeller. These technologies from the core of modern port operations. Next, Severin will cover maintenance practice and safety issues.
Good day, I am Muhammad Silvrian Alfi bin Rosne Sarbe. Although the documentary does not show a full plant maintenance system manual, several important maintenance philosophies are clear. First, infrastructure adaptation itself is a maintenance strategy. Ports continuously upgrade quays, deepen channels, and expand locks, so assets can handle the next generation of larger vessels. Second, on-demand spare part production via 3D printing in Rotterdam shifts maintenance from large inventories to additive manufacturing, reducing vessel downtime. And three, digital planning systems minimize unnecessary moves and travel distances, lowering mechanical wear and energy use, thereby extending the life of cranes and AGVs. And lastly, sustainability-linked maintenance. Programming AGVs to charge during periods of abundant renewable electricity integrates energy management with environmental goals. Modern ports and maintenance is therefore strategic, digital, and innovative, not merely a reactive repair. On safety and operational issues, megaship of 340-meter or longer or 46-meter or wider require two pilots. Vessel traffic services and traffic separation schemes are essential in congested approaches. Remote control of cranes removes operators from high winds, storms, and working at height risk. Historical security examples such as the iron chain at La Rochelle show that safety and commerce have always been linked. Operational challenges remain intense: competition and cost pressure, scale mismatch and with ultra-large vessels, labor displacement, environmental and social constraints, and the cultural adjustments of crane operators who miss the physical sensation of driving high above a ship. These points shows both the benefits and the human costs of innovation. Finally, Shakir will deliver our group conclusion and reflection.
Documentary because Harbour Innovation show that 4K reinventing themselves. From early Harbour to the fully automated terminal and 3D printed propellers. Each innovation increased trade speed and efficiency, but also changed how labor and environment works. Key lesson for us is that technology and maintenance must work together. Automation improve safety but need proper change management because ship require better long-term planning and sustainability is now part of daily port operation. As a group, we found the documentary clear and balanced. It helps us understand both benefit and the challenge of modern port technology. In conclusion, future port will be fully more automated, data-driven, and environmentally focused. We must prepare ourselves to work in and lead this environment.